We're a 1980s themed bodybuilding, powerlifting, sports conditioning gym. There was no gym here for bodybuilding and powerlifting, so we decided to open one up. I used to live in Los Angeles. I worked in entertainment for a spell, and there's a lot of amazing gyms that still have that sort of vintage, retro 80s feel to it. I kind of wanted to bring something like that to Newberg. I want them to feel like they're transported back to the 80s. And this allows me to share my passion for fitness with a lot of other people and see other people grow. But we've got, I'd say, about 130 members right now, and it's growing every month. We've got a number of people here that I think are going to be some pretty serious competitors in bodybuilding and even powerlifting, and I'm excited to see where their careers go. They can definitely look, just as amazing as any of these people on the wall. And that's what I want people to feel when they come in here. They can obtain the physiques that they see on the walls.